Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Duolingo promo code. So let's get right into it. First of all, guys, we have to go on our Chrome browser and here we have to search Duolingo promo code. And then we have to scroll down and we will go with this here. Just simply have to hit on this website and you will reach to this window, and here you will see so many codes over here and you can go with any of one. So if we go with this one, so here you will see go to Duolingo websites, and with this option you will reach to Duolingo website and you can get started easily. Just choose your language and go, and then you have to hit on continue. These are the simple steps. You can go and purchase Duolingo code, and this is how you can find Duolingo promo code. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.